If you picked up, Ramekins. Back this way.
We flew over, we flew back.
That's just what I like
Mary
to do.
just didn't want to leave the dips.
Not ever. But if you bought one of every item in the show on Easy Pay with the free shipping, it would be $50.31.
I love that.
Now, the Ramekins themselves, let's discuss. This is K49345. This set of 3 is something that is so incredibly special and made to really hold the dips.
Absolutely, and we're only showing you 2 of the choices here, but I figured while we're bringing over the table, I'll show you. You're going to get a set of 3 of the plaid, so 3 of your 8-ounce Ramekins. And again, they come with snap-on storage covers. And if you're picking up the plaid, they come with the trees as well. So your green will go with the green, your red will go with the red. Adorable, all in gift boxes. Then, of course, we have your Whimsy, which also come with your character spreaders. So they're coordinated along with it.
So
it might be actually easier if we just pop over here real quick.
Let's take a look.
Look at this. Here, we have the gift boxes. So you're getting all 3 with the spreaders, with the plastic storage covers. Polka dot, you were asking for red. You were asking for green, and we threw in the black because we just think from a gift standpoint, that's fantastic. And then here's our Whimsy with your snowman, with your penguin, with your spreader. Everything comes in a gift box. They're ready to go, all 3 in one gift. I just think these are a no-brainer. And if you just picked up the dips, perfect to make in here. They're 8 ounces capacity.
I love these. Free shipping and 6 easy payments are gone at the end of the day. These are 6 easy payments of $4.10.
This is incredible.
This is such a great walk-in-the-door gift. And when I look at the free shipping, look at the details here, too. First of all, the plaid. We're all a little mad for
I got to tell you. So mad for plaid, and we included the plaid in our mini loves. And there's a great shot. Thank you, guys. There you can see the holiday plaid. Next door to that, you can see the polka dot. We'll walk you through the colors. And then next door to that, we have our Whimsy, and the Whimsy have the characters. These are just super fun, quick pickup that you will use day in and day out, but I think it's like total gift alert. I think anybody you would gift these to would use them day in and day out.
1,000 already ordered. My gosh.
Thank you.
You know what, too? In the Whimsy, you get the cute little gingerbread spreader. You get the cute little penguin spreader. And you also get the cute... Can I bring you guys up with me here? So we've got gingerbread. Penguin. My husband's my penguin. And then you also have the snowman. Okay?
You need to give that to him.
I know. He's a penguin. And then the polka dot, green, black, and red. But then, wait, really quick, the plaid is most limited. Look at the spreader in the plaid. The handle is a little Christmas tree.
And then you have the color coordination with the interior of those adorable Ramekins. I'm telling you guys, love this one.
Okay, I love this woman. I love this brand. You know, in every picture I put on from my kitchen, there's Temp-tations in it. But I have to tell you, my line producer just said, I have an update on the dips. Thought he might have been talking about me. We started with over 9,000 in the Dip Hooray.